Hey everyone, hope you're doing great today. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that almost everyone investing in silver right now is making the same mistake? Not beginners. Not just small investors, I'm talking about the majority of the market. And this mistake could cost them huge gains in the coming years. In this video, I'll break down what most investors get completely wrong about silver. What's actually happening behind the scenes? And what this could mean for prices going forward. Let's get into it. Part 1, the big misunderstanding. Most people think silver is just a cheaper version of gold. They buy it hoping it moves like gold, just slower. But that's the first mistake. Silver is not just a store of value. It's actually a hybrid asset, part precious metal, part industrial metal. That means its price isn't just driven by fear or inflation, it's driven by real-world demand. And that changes everything. Part 2, what people are ignoring. Here's what most investors are missing: silver is used in solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics. And demand is rising fast. At the same time, supply is struggling to keep up. Mining production isn't growing fast enough, and a lot of silver is actually a byproduct of mining other metals. So even if demand explodes, supply can't quickly respond. This creates a potential supply squeeze. And that's where things get interesting. Part 3, the price disconnect. Now here's the crazy part: despite all this demand, silver prices often stay suppressed or move slowly. Why? Because in the short term, the price is heavily influenced by paper markets, trading sentiment, macroeconomic factors. But historically, when silver finally moves, it doesn't move slowly. It explodes. Part 4, what could happen next? If demand keeps rising, and supply stays tight, we could see a moment where silver reprices very quickly. Not gradually, but in sharp, aggressive moves. And that's exactly the kind of move most investors miss. Because they've already lost patience and exited too early. So the truth is, 99% of investors are wrong about silver. Because they're looking at it like gold, instead of what it really is. A supply-constrained industrial metal with explosive potential. If you found this helpful, drop a like. And subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this. And let me know in the comments, do you think silver is undervalued right now? If you enjoy clear and honest insights about gold, silver, and the financial markets, make sure to subscribe. It really motivates us to keep creating videos like this.